pretty quick. So stretching it out ahead of time, somewhere around here or even further, will preserve the finish in the end. So it lowers the bond and it creates a lower energy level. Why would you want that? Okay, why would you want that? Wrapping a horizontal panel, a lot of heat right now. I've taken a compressor and I've blown away all the debris and all the contaminants because even though this is a brand new car, there's gonna be dirt and stuff floating around here. There was plenty, there's a whole bunch of dust. You take it, you fold it. This comes straight up and out. Here are your clips right here, okay? So you can see that these all just push down. They're little hooks that push down. See the mirrors coming loose?